Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be revisiting Windows Vista. Well, is it even revisiting Windows Vista? I haven't even taken a look at Windows Vista on this,
Baba Booey.
But let's start this up. Also gonna go into full screen here. Hopefully we don't have any sort of messed up camera, mouse issues, because that happened. Because last time I tried to use virtual machines on this, on this channel, the mouse thingy got and decided to be very hilarious. Also, I'm gonna see if I can virtual machine settings.
Nope.
I'm gonna try to make this display.
Bruh. Nope.
Enter full screen mode. So it's been installing everything as I've been. So yeah, you're probably gonna have to live with this for a display right now. Don't worry, that'll be fixed in the editing of this video. So yeah, this is mainly just a video where I'm gonna install Windows Vista. In the next video, I'll take a look at Windows Vista. I know this is gonna be a little interesting, and this is probably gonna sound very, and now I'm probably gonna sound, but Windows Vista is one of my favorite versions of Windows.
Baba Booey.
And another one is Windows 8.1. And don't worry, Windows 8.1 will be getting its own video. However, that's gonna be in January. However, I'm gonna wait. However, I'm gonna make that video this year, but not upload it and schedule it to be uploaded on January 10th, 2023, which is under 90 days from now. And the reason why is because I want to make, because Windows 8.1 is because I want to do a quote-unquote sequel to one of my older videos, Goodbye to Windows 7, which and you already know, and besides, the reason why I'm making it ahead of time is so that it doesn't end up being a late, so that it's not late to the party like last time, like Windows 7. And just like the Windows 7 video, it will also be recorded in Scratch.
Are you sure about that?
Speaking of Scratch, I put a link to my Scratch account down below in the description where I make operating systems nowadays, and you can go check that out. It's a platform that you may enjoy.
Baba Booey.
Although don't try and don't promote your social media on there other than YouTube, because it's against the rules, because it's a platform that is also. But yeah, we are restarting right now. If there's time after this video, this video will be split up into 2 parts. By the way, I do videos every 2 weeks.
Are you sure about that?
On the exception where excluding. So please wait while Windows sets up your computer.
Are you sure about that?
It'd be a shame if I already was using. Now, funny enough, this is my computer is running Windows 11. So yeah, I wonder if this is gonna make any noise here. Oh, blah blah blah. Completing installation. This probably should go very quickly.
Baba Booey.
I have never really realized how quick the installation goes for Windows Vista, although I did put the information into, but the information was done in the but I did put in the information and while signing up the VM. And well, yeah, after we're done with the 2 video saga of Windows Vista, well, the 2 main videos that are going to be Windows Vista, there will be a few extra videos that will be done. For example, Windows Calendar, because I did a video on Windows Vista's calendar back in a few years back, and I think it, and since if you don't know about me, if you've never known my channel, and well, and yeah, so we are starting up Windows Vista again. I don't know if there's any more setup stuff to do. We might be getting the Windows Vista sound effect here. There was probably going to be some. It's probably going to play twice, but because I have my speaker turned on. But don't worry, it's just that's not my. I can't do anything about it. And well, yeah. Let's see. It's taking quite some time to load here. Come on. I hope it's not broken. I've used this before, but yeah. Yeah, this is probably the reason why I'm splitting the video up into 2 parts. They'll both be made at around the same time. But yeah. Editing, I mean, when I make videos nowadays, it's even though I don't use branded intros or outros anymore, and I try to avoid telling all of you to subscribe, because like most content creators tell you to do that,
Bruh.
and it gets pretty annoying for all of you viewers.
Baba
And
Booey.
the reason why I do my YouTube videos a little differently is because not only do I use the analytics feature on YouTube a lot, but I also watch a lot of YouTube videos. And there we go, preparing your desktop. Yeah.
Among Us! Among Us!
And we're gonna be ending off the video right here.
Are you sure about that?
Exactly here, but yeah, let's just see. Don't think it's gonna search. Let's start search Winver. So yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh, there we go. That's now. Yeah, this isn't an activated copy of Windows, so I'm gonna be doing the stuff. So each thing will be done fairly quickly. So the videos focusing on this copy will be done, and will pretty much be made in rapid fire, I guess. Widescreen textures. Yeah, this is kind of laggy, but image 27, image 29. Yeah, Windows. I mean, these are some of my favorite. These are some of my favorite background. I mean, the light aura category of backgrounds and default backgrounds are some of my favorite default backgrounds in the. in that you could use on Windows. And well, yeah, we're not gonna go into any programs.
Baba Booey.
Last thing I'm probably going to try to do is see if I can adjust the screen resolution. Yes, that's... Yeah, that... Wow, that's impressive. And well, yes. Now, yeah, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video, and bye.